right, so protect your ears, ZOHAN EM042 AM FM radio headphones. So AM FM digital radio, noise reduction, and MP3 compatible. The model number here is the NRR 25dB. The top just says ZOHAN protect your ears. Nothing on the bottom. This side shows you have an LCD digital display, simple function buttons, easy to use volume switch, snap-in ear cushions make replacement easy, and super comfortable padded headband. And FCC rules on this side, as well as support information. I love support information. So go ahead and open this on up. I did get the yellow one just because of my wife. Her favorite color is yellow. I love that. When you open the top, the first thing you see is protect your ears with the ZOHAN logo. That's nice. Let's pull this out. It even says ZOHAN protect your ears on the bag. Nice little leatherish case there. And wow, that's it for the box. User's guide. So a little auxiliary cable there, and then a nice little information guide of kind of how to use it. Always helpful. And then actually in this little leather pouch here is our noise reduction headphones. Nothing else in the pouch. Wow, okay. Oh, so these are, okay, so they're battery powered. 2 AA batteries on that side powered. I was wondering if it was rechargeable, or like I was about to ask that. So once we get some batteries in, then we can power it on and see it. It seems to be your volume rocker, but kind of like it was saying, very soft up top. That's very soft. And then these are apparently removable somehow. Oh, they just pull right out. Okay, just kind of clip down in there. All right, well, they are very similar to what I remember buying my daughter when we went to Monster Jam, just, you know, without all of these features. So I definitely think these would make anything that's really loud not nearly as loud.